What's up, Dope That fam? It's your boy Dope here with another video. Today, guys, we're gonna be installing a new double din touchscreen on my 2005 Silverado. Yes, I already have one, but we're gonna be upgrading. So this one has more features than this one. This one includes wireless Carplay, GPS, navigation, all that good stuff, which this one doesn't. So we're going to be replacing it today. I'm going to show you guys how to remove everything and how all this goes connected. This one comes with all the wiring already, so you don't have to worry about splicing any wires. It comes with the adapter, connects right into the head unit. Everything's already connected in the back. All we got to do is just remove this one and reinstall this one into that one. So let's do that real quick. Alright, so first what we're going to do is we're going to remove this bezel. The way you remove that is you just want to pull on it, and just like that it comes up apart, but you will need a little bit of room. So we're going to put the truck into accessory mode, put your lever to first gear, that way the shifter's out of the way, and you pull. Put it back into drive, and you turn the truck back on. Now, as you can see, radio's accessible. Now we're just gonna take off these 3 bolts right here. I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, once we got all those 3 off, all you gotta do is pop this one out. And we'll just start disconnecting everything from the back. Okay, we have that one removed. We got mostly everything else disconnected from the back. This just goes to this. Pull that out. That one goes to this. We can pull that out. Okay. All the stuff to the side. Now we grab our new one. So what I like about this one is you don't have to get a new bezel. Like on this Pioneer, I had to buy this separate bezel to fit the stereo. And on this one, it already comes with its own and already pre-installed. So we're just gonna reconnect everything into here. Alright guys, now that we got everything connected, we turn the truck on just to make sure everything turns on. As you can tell, everything works. We're gonna go back to the front menu. There's all your options. There's screen sharing. You got Netflix in here, you got YouTube. You can always hotspot your Wi-Fi to the stereo, so it gets internet. You can connect wirelessly to your Apple CarPlay or Android CarPlay. There's a bunch of settings here you guys can play around with. They got the radio. Let's see what else. Oh, these are just little sample videos they show you. But yeah guys, this is pretty much like a little tablet in your car without having to have a whole tablet in your car, you know? So let me just start putting everything back together. This stereo also comes with a reverse camera, which I'll show you guys in a bit, because I didn't install it in this one. I will eventually, but I want to get a different camera for it. But it does come with a camera, it comes with your GPS, it comes with your USB cable, so you can connect your phone to it directly with the wire if you don't want to do wirelessly. If you guys are interested, make sure to check out the link down below. I might have a little discount code for you guys, so you guys can get a little discount. But yeah, let me know. Okay, so the kit comes with the reverse camera and all the wiring included. It even has a little diagram so you guys know how to connect it. I won't be connecting it just yet, just because I will be getting a different camera, because I want this one, it just goes like bolted up to your license plate, but the one I want to get is looks more OEM, and it goes into your bezel on the tailgate. So we'll wait to connect all this once I get that one. It's got 2 USB ports that you can connect to the back of the head unit as well. Most likely I won't be using these because everything's wirelessly on this one, so there's really no point to having these. But you could always do these. Obviously, ones can be used for your phone, so you can charge it while you're driving, or you can connect CarPlay with the cable instead of being wirelessly. Or you can do like I said before, the USB with the music in it. So you have music on that USB stick, you can connect it here and it transfers it to the head unit. I will be connecting the microphone though, because you never know when you want to be hands-free talking. So I will be putting this one on. It also comes with a little screwdriver if you need it, and the pulling plier, a plastic plier, which will probably help you to remove that bezel if you can't do it by your hand. But it was pretty easy, so I didn't really use it. But yeah, guys, like I said, this kit, the stereo comes equipped with everything you need. You don't need a new bezel for your head unit. You don't need a wiring kit like I did it with this stereo. So this stereo did need a wiring kit. As you can tell, I had to wire the kit to the actual head unit one by one, which this one didn't need it at all. It all came connected already. Let me show you guys it real quick again. See, this is the wiring kit right here, right there. Oh, another thing I didn't mention. So obviously my truck doesn't have the steering wheel buttons, but if you did, it comes with the decoder for that. So all your steering wheel settings work with the stereo, which is awesome. I connected it either way, just in case. You don't really need to connect it, but it was there, so why not? But yeah, let me connect the microphone real quick. Alrighty, there it is. I connected it to the wiring harness right here, where it says mic, and then I just ran it to the little cubby hole that I don't have nothing in right now. This little microphone right here. Just clipped it up there. We'll see. Might have to remove it somewhere else once I get the bezel on, see where if everything fits. But I'm gonna start getting everything back in and showing us the final product. Okay, there we go. This is how it looks installed. The microphone fitting out perfectly. Let's do a little startup, see how it turns on. Boom, there you go, guys. Fully installed, equipped with YouTube. Obviously you gotta connect it with your internet. You got your Netflix. Obviously you need Wi-Fi for that. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna start playing around with it more, try to figure out these features. I already tried wireless CarPlay, that worked perfectly fine. Sorry about that noise. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I already tried out the wireless CarPlay. That worked out perfectly. I did the screen mirroring as well. You gotta download a separate app to wirelessly screen mirror, or you can do it with the USB cables I was showing you guys earlier. You know, you just connect your charger to your phone, and then that connects to your head unit. But yeah, it's really cool, guys. I obviously love that it's Android because I am an Android user. So I don't know how it would be if you guys have an Apple device. But like I said, if you guys are interested, check the link down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.